We are outside today
Say hi.
because the climate
Say
is
hi. Badet.
Climate is good.
Say hi.
I'm eating popcorn.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
She's a Miss. You're Miss Korean.
No, I'm a Chinese.
Oh, you're Chinese.
Yeah.
I'm a Filipino, and you are
Half.
Ilocana.
50 Spanish, is 50 Spanish and 50 Filipino.
How to say hi in Spanish, Lola? Say hi in Spanish.
Hello.
¿Cómo
Hello.
estás?
Hello.
American.
Kumusta?
Oh,
Kumusta? Tagalog, kumusta?
ay, Badit, ang ganda ng kulay natin. Black, blue, and red. Oh, we are in the swing underneath of tree. This is a tree. Let's see. I'm gonna take a picture the two people in the swing. See that? Ta-da!
Hi.
You
how
enjoying,
are you?
guys? You enjoying?
Yes.
Yeah, this is our surroundings. So beautiful. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Exit. So how is it? Your popcorn.
Good. So yummy.
So let's go. We have to feed the fish. Nanay, let's go over there. We're gonna feed the fish. Kaya yan ni Madam. We're going to feed the fish. Fishy. Badet, mag-ihaw ka dyan ah. Yeah, dyan kami nagluto. We walking. Walking, Lola, walking. Just be careful. Badet? Badet. Makaano ka kasi dito, Nay?
Baka maayupan. Tinanggal yung mga panya.
Yeah. Wow. Badet, makaano ka kaya doon? Ha? No. No, be careful. Buka pagtalo natin dyan, Ha? Pwede? Try it. Nay, wag ka, Nay. Oh, nasa boat. Buti pa doon, Nay. O, sa boat. Nakatali siya. Ha? Tara yung dalawa. 1. Ako first. 1, 2. Ay!